Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video. Well, I don't know if it's going to be exciting for you, but it is exciting for me. Okay, before we get into that, hi, my name is Tina. People call me Cam. This is my channel where I talk about hair and stuff like lifestyle, fashion and everything. Today is going to be a fashion video. Today's video I'm going to be rating and comparing. It's basically one of those what I ordered versus what I got kind of videos, or ordering two things from two different sites and comparing, something like that. There's a bunch of videos like that going on now, and I was like, you know what, I want to do something like that. But I didn't want to buy from shops. I had a ton of fabric that I have to get rid of, so today's the day. So I gave the fabric to some tailors, two different tailors, and I was like, you know what, this is the styles I wanted, and then like still something for me. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be wearing it and then I'm going to be judging and rating, and yeah. So without any much further ado, let's get this party started. Yeah. I cannot count, but I did order a bunch of stuff from the tailor, and this is how it came. Nothing fancy, just your basic Peter Rabbit bag. And I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Man, I don't know. I ordered a bunch of stuff from this one, and then I ordered stuff from the other one. The reason why I ordered like less stuff from the other one is because, number one, the other one was a little bit more expensive. No, wait, this one's more expensive, but the other one, she would take like forever before she gives you stuff. So I didn't want, like, that's why this video dragged, because I was supposed to film this video like 2 months ago and other issues. So this is the one from, I ordered multiple stuff from this one. I think this is what I was starting with, and then this is the other one from the other tailor. Like I said, nothing fancy. They're just like, okay, I've sewn this girl's thing, and we pack it in whatever plastic bags I have available and send to her. So that's it for packaging. There's nothing special there. And this is what, wait, hold on, this is what I'll be wearing to like try on the stuff. I wanted like actually full situation where you can see me, but I can only use like, I don't think it's that necessary.
Later.
I'm going to start with the one that has fewer clothes so that I get it out of the way as fast as possible. So I'm trying to be professional. So this is what it looks like. Got like red. So final verdict, I love this dress. It's cute, it's doing what it has to do. I would have wanted it to be bigger and grander, but it's okay like this. I love it. Now to the next. The next one is like this brown, I don't know how they call this. Is it like a shift dress? I don't know how they actually call it, but this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is what this one looks like. I actually love it very much. I could wear this to church, it's decent. I could wear this to meetings. I could wear it to many different functions, and it doesn't take away from the dress. It's lovely. I love this dress. This is like 100% what I ordered. That is what she's delivered. You can't even tell that the fabric was small and we had to improvise like down here. You can't tell. That's what I love, because like tailors should learn how to improvise. I shouldn't just like come and pet you and give you everything. So this, I will rate it 8 over 10. So this is the third one from that bag, and it's a shirt dress with kind of a paisley pattern. So let's wear, but it's a casual, because like just like go get ice cream, go for a shopping, like go for a shopping spree. I have my cream shoes and they're not very high. Nothing glam, nothing too fancy. Okay, now switch it up, baby. This is what it's looking like now. Then I'm going to go in with my Dior. This should be a toilet bag. And this is a look like. So for this dress, I will give it an 8 out of 10. I love it. It's versatile. It makes a lot of sense. So this is the final one from this channel, and it's, I don't know, I saw it on Pinterest and I was like, okay, I'm sold. So it's just a dress like this in the only this Bamleke print or Bamenda print. In Bamenda print, I'm going to wear this shirt. So this is what this one will. It looks exactly like the one I ordered, so I love that for me, and I want to appreciate the tailor very much. She does take her time, but she delivers. Cause like waist is cinched. Okay, I could wear this to church, to work, for an African print party. Like, it's really gorgeous. I love this one. I will rate this dress, however, a 9 out of 10, which is surprising because I thought, like, when I first of all saw, I thought that this was going to be a 6 out of 10. But seeing it styled, and it's just lovely. I love this for me. I love this. Before we talk about this dress, I'll show you what the inspiration looks like, and then this is what we get. Dress, like, I want a wrap dress. So this doesn't look bad, but this to me is not screaming wrap dress, also because, like, why is this one hanging? So I want to just assume that this is the interpretation she was working on. This is what we got. Now we have this other one. So where are we wrapping? Like, what's going on happening? I have questions. I need answers. So if I was to say wrap it somewhere, now it's not giving me that glamorous oversized vibe that I want. It's actually giving me like backdrop with the color, which I don't like. So I'm going to try my best to style this. So let's go. This dress is stressing me out. It's giving me, like, you know, when you go for African weddings, maybe even abroad weddings, but you know how the wedding, they all the bridesmaids and everybody is just dressed and they're doing like cute behind the scene videos. I could be doing that as well. Like, this thing is stressing me. If I rush it, does it make any sense? Yeah, this is what it's giving. I do not like this. I will rate this one 3 over 10 because it wasn't even leftover fabric, and like, I don't believe it, number one, because this cannot be 3 meters of fabric, because I was really going, this can never be 3 meters of fabric. Okay, so this is the next one. I'm very excited for this. This dress was inspired like 2 ways. First, by my best friend Fawa. She has something like this. This girl's not shorting this skirt, so it's supposed to be a cropped blazer. Like, I wanted it way up here, so that it will even look more like a bolero than a cropped blazer. But this is what we have. No buttons, so I'll wear like a brooch. So if I was ever to defend for like HND or masters, I guess this is what I'll wear. But I wanted like sexy party, something that would be like this, and then cropped up here, and it's giving like African Chanel princess vibes. Like, are you people getting it? This is what I wanted. This is what I was expecting. In terms of the tailoring and everything, I'll give this a 6 on 10. But in terms of actually following the assignment and doing my Ashawo vibes, I will give this a 3 on 10. This next one is cute, it's vibrant. I finally found something to do with this fabric my grandma gave me like 4 years ago. The only thing that I don't like is that this dress has no pockets, because how can you have free wear and it has no pockets? I like it, it's free, it's simple, it understands the assignment. This was also one of those dresses that I wanted it to be short, not shorter. Yeah, something like this so that I can wear with heels. But now it's just matte, so I'll give this a 5 out of 10. I know you've just seen me with a dress that had this, but because I'd already paid her for like a certain number of things, the actual style I wanted couldn't fit. So I just told her to go ahead and do this one. Like, let's call it a day, because me, I was tired. You can wear this like your everyday kimono piece. Like, you could wear shorts under, you could wear whatever thing you want to wear with. Like, this is what I have now. The serve. I love this. I love this. Okay, so I love this one, as you can see. For this one, I'll be generous and I will give it an 8 on 10. The original had to have, oh wait, it actually has a belt. My bad. No, but I don't want the belt. Matchy matchy. So this is what I have. This is what we are working with. This is supposed to be a corset top. I have tried to sew corset tops myself. It has been very hard. Well, not hard. I've had a bit of a struggle, but this is supposed to be a corset top. It doesn't look anything like the inspiration picture. Nothing at all. And like, what are these weird things? Because for me, I could always wear, like, my breasts are not like ugh. So I could always wear stuff without having, but like, what is this padding? Like, lining would have been enough, but now I get this weird thing. And what annoys me is like how this thing is always going to be twisted. So that's my number one issue for this dress. Maybe it's like this particular pants, but I'm not changing anything again. This is the way you see it. But I don't like it. It's not snatch. Everything is twist. Everything is just twisted. Look at the boobs. Like, this whole cup thing is supposed to be under so that it pushes my breast up. But no, instead, what do I have? I just have like flat boobs and this round thing that makes no sense, because this is actually my breast under here. But look at where the cup is. It doesn't make any sense. I hate this dress. I'm sorry, this one gets a 2 from me, because this was actually great fabric and she ruined it. But I look nice, so I have so many words for these garments that I don't even know where to start from. So let's just start from the beginning. Again, we have the padding. Like, okay, when I put this dress like this, you're not seeing how wrong it is, but it is just wrong, and this one was expensive. So this one doesn't even look like the nothing at all, no resemblance, no sisters, no neighbors. They don't even come from the same country. Okay, as for this one, it's not rocket science for you to know that this dress is a mess. Like, let's just look at it like this. So first of all, you're seeing like where my breasts start and end. This one is, this thing, it's not even made for my breast. That's number one. Oh, I look skinny. It's not even made for my dress. Number 2, this place here has zero symmetry. Like, this one is bigger than this one. It doesn't make any sense. and I'm going to turn the end and have in mind, bear in mind that there's nobody here to actually help me tie the dress. So and then I really hate like all of this patchwork, because like if I'm supposed to put those, because the hands of this thing is supposed to be like jewelry, right? So here's the thing, this thing is supposed to be sewn inside so that you can just hook it, not that it's supposed to be hanging outside like this. It doesn't make any sense, but I guess that's it. This is the end of this video already. I'm going to give this dress 1 out of 10. I was really disappointed. That's it for the end of this video. Can you tell which one was my favorite outfit? Hint, it's green and purple. That's it. I will leave like details that I cannot get at the top of my head. I will leave them down below. I will leave the contacts of the tailors down below if you're interested in getting to know them and their social media. I will leave my social media as well. Please follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. Again, as always, please interact with my content so that YouTube actually boosts my video. Like, engage, please engage. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comment section, and also go on Instagram, because I think I'll do like one of those trendy TikTok kind of videos on my Instagram and on my TikTok. So go on both platforms and let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. You're a real one. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye. Mwah.